Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing this game. This game. I am going to increase my speed. I have played this game before and I have a 60 speed. I am going to try and at least get 70 for now. You have no idea how long it took me to get 60. I mean, look how slowly it goes up. Wait a minute. It's not green yet. It needs to turn green. If it doesn't turn green, then you don't turn.
Oh wow. My character is so sad. Like outrageously thin with a giant head.
Yeah. It happens. Especially on this specific game. How did you get there, Mr. Sir? How did you get there, Mr. Sir? And I really need one of these things. No, mine! I need... directly down. Come on! I need to increase my speeding. Why can't I in no wise in being increasing my speed? I can't increase my speed. I guess I am just going to have to go for weight. Now watch me as I lift my magical weight. See, look, I'm lifting weights. That's the saddest weight I've ever seen. It's literally nothing but a stick with two, I don't know how much they are. But it's such patheticness. Oh, and also, a moment. You need to hear the sound that you hear. No, not that. Listen to the sound for when I upgrade my strength. Here, watch. Watch it. Watch it. That's the sound. It's the sound. Hey, dude. Legitimately. Yeah, it is. The puff isn't even coming from my mouth. It's coming from where my nose should be. I just lift away, lift away, lift away, lift away, lift away. Here, let's see my buffness. My buffness is 0.54. pretty sure I get bigger with every strength I gain. Let's see. Yep, you do. And you also get taller. Look at my glasses.
There.
No, no! I pressed the wrong. Now let's. Hiya! 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 Smack people. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Yay! Dead. I was killed! Wait. Sorry, I'm trying to look at something. Hi, where is you? Hey, you was on a treadmill.
I'm on a treadmill, but my speed is not increasing.
It doesn't increase unless it's green. Was it already green when you got on?
Yeah. That makes great.
Yeah. And apparently, they aren't working for me.
Oh, there. Wait. Yeah, it wasn't working for you because I got on it and it turned green.
And also, I kind of run over the treadmills. Now, as you can see, my sunglasses are nowhere near where they're supposed to be. As my strength increases, so does my size.
Does that mean your sunglasses get bigger as well?
No. My head does not get bigger.
Oh.
But apparently my head is. So once I reach 50 strength, I'm going to become small again. But I won't lose anything.
Why? Just to be deceptive?
Yeah. That is my ultimate plan. And also so I can actually train on the treadmills.
Oh, because you get so big that you can't even run on them?
Yeah, like my sister. She reached 2,000, which is what you need to get onto Big Boy Beach.
Yeah.
And she can't quite get onto Big Boy Beach yet.
Why can't she?
Have your dad's here? Not quite sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. To become small again. I'm a stick again! And look, nothing except for my buffness and height has changed. I still have 345 durability and a strength of 50.
Oh my gosh.
And very high speed.
I know, you move incredibly quickly.
If we were to have a race, I would definitely win.
Yeah.
I trained on the treadmills for a long time. Come on!
Every time I get in my treadmill, someone attacks me.
Yeah, there are some people who do that. That person used small as well, because I'm pretty sure you have to be at 1,000 to use the. To use the. What happened?
Where'd that come
This video is probably just going to be lifting weights.
Fine.
I used to be your size, you know. Why can I not hurt this person?
Oh my gosh, every time I come over.
Go over where? Onto the treadmills?
Yeah, onto this one guy.
Hey, dude!
Hi.
I
Defeat him for me, please.
will try my best. I will do my best.
Avenge me. I will.
He's so slow.
Is he?
Yeah, he is. Yeah.
He's not even trying to become faster.
Yeah,
He's not
he
even
isn't.
using the treadmill. He leaves it open, and when I get on it, he starts attacking me.
Don't know why.
Probably
Why is he not
spam.
trying to attack me? No! No! Run! You must train your speed, no matter what. You know, I've been attacked several times, and I just die, and then it's like,
And then just keep going.
yeah.
And do you lose any stats when you die?
Nope, none. Treadmill. Sorry,
Yeah,
it's your turn for that one. Is it green?
it
Still?
is green. My speed is increasing.
Woo! Mine has not. I need that treadmill.
You need it? You can have it for it.
Okay. No fighting necessary.
I
Lift weights, get buff, and why is it not green?
Weird. I don't understand. Maybe you're too fast.
No. You can't be too fast for the treadmill to work.
Really?
It should work.
Oh my god, this guy. I just want to lift weights.
Why am I always getting stuck on stuff? I got stuck in it. I'm stuck.
Ah, he defeated me.
That sucks.
What's that?
Dude. You can't get me. Don't try touching me. Don't try to touch me. Why is my stats not going up?
No.
I think I might have to leave the game and then rejoin. Just so I can get speeds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry, I will join you some more. Again. Refresh. Now I should be able to use them treadmills.
Hopefully.
Yes, if I cannot, then I will be very disappointed.
Might be too fast.
I can't be too fast. If I am too fast, then it will show. And also, I figured out a way of not being too fast and being able to do it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. No, I still can't use it. Here, I want to do an experiment. Could you get off?
Yeah.
Now get on.
Oh, wait.
Now get off. Now get on again. It will not. It doesn't read me. I can't get any faster.
Interesting.
I'm just gonna have to lift weights. Look at those people.
I can tell them a lot faster now.
What?
I can tell them a lot faster now. Not a lot, but a little bit. I have 15.575.
60 strength.
0.0000001 specifically.
60 strengths, and then I become a stick again. What? You are not a normal stick. You are a smalled stick. So, That's going to be it for today.